Hello students, welcome back to our channel. So let's solve question number 18. This question is based on statistical methods and coefficient of determination. In this question we will calculate values step by step and then match them correctly with the given options. So let's begin question number 18. Here we have to match list 1 with list 2 using the value of r square, that is coefficient of determination. The formula is r square equal to 1 minus ESS divided by TSS. So the correct answer here is option B. That means the correct matching is A with 3, B with 4, C with 2 and D with 1. But how did we get this answer? Let us understand the calculation step by step. To solve this question, we use the formula r square equals to 1 minus ESS upon TSS. Now let us calculate one by one. For A, ESS is 30 and TSS is 80. So r square equals 1 minus 30 divided by 80, that is 0.625. We can also solve this question using RSS. In that case we will use the formula of coefficient of determination r square is equal to RSS upon TSS. As we know, TSS is equal to RSS plus ESS, so from there we can get RSS is equal to TSS minus ESS. So from both of the methods we can calculate r square. So in case of B, ESS is 40 and TSS is 90, so r square here is 0.55. In case of C, r square here is 0.66, and in case of D, finally r square here is 0.63. So therefore the final matching becomes A with 3, B with 4, C with 2 and D with 1. Hence the correct option is B. I have mentioned everything both the ways in the explanation slide. Thank you for being part of this question. Keep practicing more numericals and concept based questions for UGC NET JRF preparation. See you in the next question. Thank you so much.